everyone. It's very dark at the minute. It's currently, I think it's about 7:15. I'm currently at Tesco, if you can see it in the background. So there's a car club called the ENCC. They're having a meet tonight, and I'm meeting a friend of mine, which I have introduced on my channel before. She's called I'm kidding. I remember her name now. Anne-Marie, so call her Ams. She also has a Nissan 300ZX, NA. So she's coming with me. I've got a feeling we're going to be the only 300s there. If we're not, then I'll be very, very surprised. So I've cleaned the car, made sure it's looking presentable. This is what it looks like at the minute. Alright, so I think it's looking spiff and spaff, if that's what you're going to call it. So I'm hoping to get a couple of, not interviews as such, but learn about other people's cars. If there's some, really spectacular ones, then I'm definitely going to show you all it. So I'll be talking to some of the owners. Really, I want to. It's not a Japanese club. It's any car basically. Apparently, it's a really, really friendly club. Any car is welcome. So I want to get into the minds of people who own these cars, ask them a couple of questions, and I want to actually see if many people have actually heard of this channel. I doubt it very much, but let's see. Anyway, I'm just waiting for Ams. As soon as she comes, we're on a roll. So what's your name?
Jordan.
Jordan. I'm Joel. So, how long you had this car?
About a year now.
A year?
Yeah.
Alright, so what's she running?
About 340.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy shit. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. Yeah, decent. What? So you've had it that long, so what modifications in that time of year?
Downpipe D-cap, catback, RS clutch and flywheel, stage 2 cooler, Dream Science induction kit, rebuilt turbo, RS wheels. That's about it, really.
Yeah.
Zoom Sport front grille, and a map, obviously.
Yeah.
I mean, stage 2 DDG from Rochdale. They mapped it.
Wow. It's quite a bit of money spent on it then.
Yeah, this year.
Wow. It does look nice, like. I mean, coilovers or.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's got Bilstein shocks with high back springs.
Oh, nice. Handles like a dream.
No, handles like a skip.
Wow. So what made you want one of these?
My dad used to have one, and I've always, since he's had one, I've said once I can show one, I'll have one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Is there any? Well, I see a couple of cosmetic
Oh yeah, it's got a little splitter and
Yeah.
grill and stuff. Halo LEDs.
Oh yeah. I saw them. Like, I didn't know if they were. I don't know much about Fords, to be honest. If I'm honest.
There's not a lot to know. They're not, they're broke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quite like the interior, to be honest. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all in ST2. There's an ST3 with ladders.
All right. Yeah.
This is ST2.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Nice. So, what's the any future plans for this car?
I want to forge it.
Oh, really? Right,
Yeah,
forging
I
it.
want a tubular manifold with a precision turbo on it.
Yeah.
I want 500 really.
Yeah.
But I'm getting married this year, so.
Oh, well, congratulations.
That's taking a back seat.
Wow.
I'm neglecting it really.
Yeah, well, to be honest, I've just got engaged, so it's like, oh, yeah, I know what you mean. Oh, sweet. That is really cool. Obviously, I've heard it pop flames and it's loud as hell and all that. Good work, that.
I'll turn it on.
Good work. Let's annoy everyone.
It's for YouTube, so shout.
Good work. That has actually made my ears pop. That's yeah. Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty loud.
Yeah.
I actually brought pretty fine.
Oh right, okay.
Fire exit. So I took you off.
Yes. Brilliant. Oh wow, my ears are ringing. Oh, fair play to you. I think yours is a bit louder than mine, especially when it pops.
Yeah.
Fair play. Nice one. Well, Jordan, thank you for that, mate. Alright, dude.
That sounded so bad on video, didn't it?
What?
I said it looks like I have a heroin needle stuck in my arm if I split my new bumper.
Wow! Wow! Guys, so I only managed to interview one person because we were so busy at the car meet. But that's a good thing because next time there's more to work with, you know. So if I can do one at a time, then it's decent. So big thanks to Jordan for that. Such a cool car. I've never really been into Fords except the old, you know, the old Escorts, stuff like that, the Mexicos and stuff. But no, that was one pretty cool Focus. So guys, don't forget, if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe, etc. There's going to be plenty more. Thank you for the ENCC for letting me do a couple of videos, etc. And obviously, for those in car clubs and stuff, if you are watching this, if you want to be in any of the videos, it would be a massive help for me. Get in touch, drop a comment. I'll happily do it. So guys, thank you so much. See you all later.